Here's Emily with her beloved dinosaur book. Can you tell us the dinosaurs that you know?
I found a velociraptor. I found an oviraptor.
Is that the oviraptor?
No.
No.
I thought it was because it's
What's this one?
Pterodon.
Yep.
A triceratops. Hans. I named him Hans.
Oh. Triceratops is my favorite. That's when I can remember the name. What's that one? What is it?
A pteranodon.
Yep. Can you find some more that you know? What's that?
Brontoceratops.
Yep.
Pachycephalosaurus. Boonk.
That's what they do with their heads, huh?
Oviraptor.
What's he doing? What do oviraptors like to eat? Eggs! You could have just told me. Do you want to find some more dinosaurs?
Yes.
Okay.
That one is my favorite dinosaur.
Oviraptor is your favoriteest?
Yeah, I like eggs.
Okay.
I name oviraptors. I like eggs.
Who's this?
Maya.
Maya the...
Maiasaurus.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Edmontonia.
Edmontonia.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
He's spiky. Who's that guy?
A Carnotaurus.
Oof. Who's this?
The king of the dinosaurs, the T-Rex. I will get what the T-Rex is like.
Well, wait. You can show me later, okay? What's that?
Quetzalcoatlus.
And who's next to him? Saltosaurus?
Yes.
Yep.
Lambeosaurus.
Yep. Who is that?
Deinosuchus.
Yep. Ooh, he's spiky. Nodosaurus.
Nodosaurus. Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus. Do you know any of those?
No.
There's Struthiomimus.
Ooh. I'm gonna sit right.
Whoa.